Hi guys, this is Dr. Armelino with Nova Spine and Rehab Center. We're located at 803 West Broad Street, Falls Church. I'm here with my patient Lauren today. Lauren is a former high competitive gymnast. She used to be doing Olympic development. Unfortunately, she developed some stress fractures that cut her career short, and she's responded really well with chiropractic care and physical therapy. But I'll let you tell the people at home, how has it helped you from your stress fractures and your injuries you've had from gymnastics?
It's absolutely helped so much with dedication to a specific care plan that Dr. Armelino has given me. I first started out doing chiropractic care for a couple weeks and then ramping it up with also some physical therapy and activities I can do at home and when I would come here and practice. And so a combination of that has really helped with the care plan as well. And then now I just come back for maintenance.
Yeah, it's not just gymnastics only, lots of different sports, cheerleading, divers. Stress fractures are very common, especially in really competitive sports where you've been training for long hours at a time, but the dieting was also a big component in there as well too for them. But let's check you out to see what's going on in here today to see what we need to do for you. So let's have you go ahead and lie face down for me, please. So what we're doing is I want to check her lower back and hips. She's doing pretty well, but you can see that that left leg is a little bit shorter compared to the right. We're going to work on that with her. Right now, before I adjust her, I'm just getting in to do a little soft tissue work. As a result of her stress fracture, Lauren's muscles are guarding to try to protect her spine, to take some pressure off of the disc and nerves. Only problem is that's interfering with her at work. You doing okay with that pressure in there, Lauren?
Yes.
Okay, good. If it's ever too much, you just let me know so that we can back off and make it more comfortable for you. And not just chiropractic for Lauren here, we've helped her out tremendously using dry needling as well as cold laser therapy. Those are some instruments that we use in the clinic to help facilitate healing faster based upon certain conditions. Maybe just take a nice deep breath in and all the way out. Excellent. One more time. Nice deep breath in and all the way out. Perfect. Let me have you go ahead and lie on your right side, so you're going to turn the face away from me. So just have you go ahead and interlock your fingers just like this. And I'm going to do all the work for you. As a result of Lauren's condition with her stress fracture, I have to modify my adjustments with her. We have found that going gentler and easier with her, she responds much better to the course of treatment. Not everybody gets the same type of adjustment when you come in. Everything is very different and specific. Perfect. Let's have you lie face up for me, please. Right now I'm just checking to see how Lauren's joints in her neck are moving. There it is, perfect. This one's a little higher up. All right, let me help give you a hand up. How are you feeling right now?
Oh, fantastic. Can move and my back feels like it can move better. It's great.
Great. If any of you are having any of these same issues in there, whether you're an athlete or non-athlete, come on in and check us out at novaspineandrehabcenter.com.